Greetings and good morning, and welcome to the Dynamix 802 online week ahead for the week of 13th of April to the 17th of April. Don't forget also, this week is Main Street Middle School's Spirit Week, and this is the week before our spring break. Quote, "I'm not concerned with your liking or disliking me. All I ask is that you respect me as a human being." Jackie Robinson, Brooklyn Dodgers. I chose this quote from Jackie Robinson because he's the subject of my sample Vermont History Day project of individuals, groups, or events that broke barriers. So here's the schedule for the week, and I just want to point out that this is posted on the Dynamix 802 online website, and this is the schedule for the continuation of learning phase, and this is what we'll be using for the remainder of the school year. There are some slight differences, so I'm just going to ask that you pay attention. Notice that up here, we start every day with our 9 a.m. Live stream, and then from 9 o'clock to 9:55, that time is for humanities. 10 o'clock to 11 on Mondays and Wednesdays is for math. 10 o'clock to 11 on Tuesdays and Thursdays is for science. Also notice that on Friday, after our live stream, right through about 11:30, there's a independent work time where students are expected to be completing any of the learning opportunities for the week, but we also will be offering office hours where we can have one-on-one interactions with students or small groups of students to help them with any questions or learning opportunities that they might be having. We also continue to have exercise, lunch, journaling, and reading from 11 o'clock until the afternoon. One little change here is that the specials are expected, work for the specials is expected to be completed in the afternoon, so that you can see for the most part, the afternoons are allocated to specials. That includes French and Spanish, algebra, and you may also have some other learning opportunities from specials classes. So students, again, will be with the Dynamix 802 online team from 9 o'clock to roughly about 11:30, and then time to lunch, journal, read, exercise, and then in the afternoon, they can start exploring the learning opportunities provided to them by the specials. I do want to point out that we're going to try and maintain our 11 o'clock to 11:30 Green Team meeting, and that we will have optional Minecraft gaming play on Thursday and Friday afternoons starting at 1:15. So this is the schedule for the remaining portion of the school year, our continuation of learning. And if you have any questions about that, please let us know. There's also some informational videos that might help you with the week. I've updated the website to make it a little bit easier to navigate. You'll see that there's icons across the top of the website, and if you watch this video, that explains some of the updates in navigation. And then for students, there's also a primary source bibliographical entry video that shows you what we expect when you're creating those bibliographical entries, and that's going to be the primary learning opportunity of the week. So in humanities, notice this is kind of our schedule. It's the same as we've been working from. It's 9 a.m. We have a live stream. That's every day. Two things that are going to be different this week. We're going to have on Tuesday, we're going to have a Google Meet with the 8th grade, and on Wednesday, I'm going to have a Google Meet with the 7th grade, and that's just to answer questions about the Vermont History Day annotated bibliography. At 11 o'clock on Monday, we have our Green Team meeting. 11:30 on Wednesday, we have a social meet. And then we have Minecraft at 1:15 on Thursday and Friday. Notice that anything in blue on this schedule is sort of a special event. We will have, the Green Team will be a standing meeting. The social meet on Wednesday is a standing meeting, as is Minecraft on Thursdays and Fridays. But the Google Meets during the morning humanities this week are an added feature. So the first learning opportunity, students can get a Team Dynamics certification in Vermont History Day. They have to complete a first draft of the annotated bibliography, which is due on Friday. That's in their Google Classroom. And on Tuesday and Wednesday, as I previously mentioned, we'll have a Social Studies Google Meet to discuss the annotated bibliographies. I'll also be available on Friday between 9:30 and 11. Students can also continue to earn a creativity badge by submitting evidence of creative work. That includes art, graphics, pictures of baking, pictures of sewing, anything that students are doing creatively during this disruptive time. And those images are posted on the website and the Instagram feed. The third learning opportunity for humanities is I'm just asking students to submit a journal entry from their COVID-19 journals, or they can submit a Friday email update. entries will be considered for inclusion in the Dynamix 802 weekly newsletter. And then in science, the learning opportunity is about climate. Why is spring warmer is this essential question. There's a slideshow about that. And when you're done, complete the exit ticket assignment found in Google Classroom. And if you have any questions, email Mr. Humke. As always, if you have questions about anything you've seen here, please send an email to Mr. Taylor or Mr. Humke. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Make sure you're checking our website. You can follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And we also have a Dynamix 802 online Facebook group. Thanks very much, everybody. Let's have a great week. And then spring break is next week. Have a nice day.